As I end my term as chair of the board of directors, I would like to take a moment to reflect on our accomplishments over the past year and express my gratitude and pride for the opportunity to serve this esteemed organization. It has been a privilege to serve on the board since 2015 and as board chair since 2018, and I am proud of the progress we have made during this time. With 60 years of inspiring history, Goodwill continues to achieve and be recognized as an award-winning organization. We are honored in 2022 to receive a National Clean 50 Award for our Sustainability Action Plan. This action plan diverted over 18 million kilograms from landfill in 2022, with our Edmonton Impact Center also presented with the Award for Excellence in Change Buildings for Climate. We are a leader in sustainability and positive environmental impact, with our CEO proudly sharing our success with Goodwill CEOs from across North America. We successfully launched a new partnership with Windhouse in Edmonton, helping women and families in need to find clothing to suit their needs. Partnerships like this provide crucial support to people in our region, and we look forward to expanding our partnerships in the coming years. Throughout my tenure, I have witnessed that we lead by example, as we are guided by our core values, guiding our strategic navigation of building an incredible team of leaders across Goodwill. As I look towards the future, I am confident Goodwill is well positioned for continued growth and success. Knowing where we started, where we are at, and the journey we've been on, I am charged with excitement to know the best is truly ahead of us. It has been an honor and a privilege to work with such a talented and dedicated group of individuals.